Hello viewers, welcome to my new videos. I will describe you how to earn money from online. So in this previous part I was taught all you how to open a blog account and how to post in blog account. So now I will show you how to earn from online within Adstara and how can you add with Adstara in your Blogspot. So let's move on to the mobile screen. No more till. Let's Hello viewers, to opening a Blogspot account, so we should have to go first for the Google Chrome. Let's see, I'm opening the Google Chrome from here, and I will write here the Blogspot. Already it's written here, so I'm clicking on that. Okay, you can see the first option is blogger.com. That's the blogger.com. I can click here. Let's see, and here is the I get option, create your blog. So I'm clicking on that. Okay, yes, and choose an account. Here's already an account, so I'm clicking my Gmail account. I think it's been working. Yes, so came here and European Union. So here's the some rules regulation is here. So choose a name of your blog. So you should have to choose a name of your blog. Write earn money. Okay, earn money, earn money. Okay, that's not available, so earn money 6969. Still not 6909. This blog address is available, so I'm clicking the next option. Okay, display name, earn money. Okay, processed already, and here is you can see the a great interface here is. So here's the new post you can write from here. So the title, earn money from online 2022. Okay, and I'm just have click in there. So here is the previews how can earn money from the online. So you can write here how can you earn money, or you can copy from blog from Google. Let's see how can you copy it, earn money online. Okay, new ways to make money online you can here see. So you can copy from here, you the 5 ways you can whole of things copy, or you can write your own things. So I'm for example I'm copying from here. Let's see. Okay, how can you copy and how can you rewrite this? So you can first of all copy it, and here is a rewriter tool also, but I won't make it easy for rewriter tool. So I think let's see, I'm going back in my blogger. I'm just writing here. Okay, you can add a picture at also here. So I'm here is the picture option. You can see upload from computer photos. So I'm uploading from computer. Choose a file. I think here is earn money. I think that's a photo. Okay, I'm uploading it. It's a sample. Let's see, and you can see it a preview post. Let's see, that's already made, and ads go here. How can you include the ads? I will show it the next video. So, and how can you write, how can you get topics from internet? So I will describe you in the next part. So no more time right now, and thanks for the watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for the next update. Okay, tata, bye bye, and thank you for watching this video.